Hello, bashers! Are you planning to visit Puerto Princesa and still naghahanap pa kayo ng hotel na inyong matutuluyan? If yes, watch this video dahil i-room tour ko kayo ng very quick lang sa aking one of my recommended hotel, ang U Hotels and Resorts Puerto Princesa. So, let's go! So, ito yung room namin. This is deluxe room twin kasi yung setup niya is dalawang bed. And on my right side, meron silang working desk. Nandito din nakalagay yung flat screen TV. Nandito yung complimentary coffee and tea. Merong kettle. Merong mini fridge. And of course, meron silang safety deposit box. For me, ang maganda dito sa room ng U-Hotel is magkahiwalay yung shower room doon sa toilet room. So, sa bathroom amenities naman nila is merong towels, merong toiletries like dental, vanity, and shaving kit. At ang kagandahan dito kasi meron silang hair dryer. So, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa U-Hotel is spacious talaga yung room nila. Ang daming lagayan ng gamit, ang lakas ng aircon, at ang lakas din ng kanilang internet connection. So, ayan guys, sa mga naghahanap ng matutuluyan dito sa Puerto Princesa, please check U-Hotel and Resorts. Ang linis, ang cuisine ng room, at ang pinaka-importante, ang comfy ng bed nila. So, U-Hotel is located po sa Kilometer 3, North National Highway, Barangay San Manuel, Puerto Princesa City. Yun lang. Bye!